So I know you are the one who is still posting on Twitter manually. It's time for a change. In this video, I'll show you how to generate daily inspirational tweets using an AI and post it on Twitter. So to do this, you just have to open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I have already created this amazing automation where every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run. Using Google Gemini, we are going to generate the tweet and we're going to post it on our Twitter, something like this. And if you also want to learn this automation step by step, grab on your laptops and follow me till the end. So this is the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window, and you have to open this. How can you come on this window? So if you are an existing user, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, you're going to see the option of create workflow. So click on create workflow and come on this window. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can approximately post 100 of tweets for free, and yes, this is true. Further, once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And because you watch our YouTube videos, you're going to get a very good discount. For that, I've attached the coupon code right over here, which is RITPC. This is exclusively for the users who watch our YouTube videos. So if you also want this, you can definitely use this coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and I bet it is very helpful and useful for you. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase it. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for schedule by Pabbly. It is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to schedule your workflow. Search for it, select it. For the event, you have to select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So select it as every day and select the time on which you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day at 12 p.m. So I've selected 12 p.m. and now I'm going to click on this save. Now this workflow is scheduled for every day 12 p.m. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use Google Gemini in order to generate the tweets. Alright, so for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Gemini and you're going to see Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, so select it. For the event, select it as generate content. Click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, you're going to find the API key right over here. From the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this get API key section. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of create a API key. And now it is asking to name your key. So if you wish, you can definitely name the key, select the project and click on this create key button and your key will be created. Then simply copy the key and paste it right over here in your Pabbly Connect's workflow. Click on the save and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the text, which will be the prompt. So as you can see, I've already entered the prompt right over here. So I'm just going to use the same prompt. So I'm just going to enter the prompt right over here. If you also want to use this same prompt, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can open my workflow and you're going to get this prompt. You can simply copy and paste it right over here. But this prompt is according to my own page I have on Twitter. So you have to customize the prompt according to yours own. The model, for the model, I'm going to select it as Gemini 2.5 Flash. For the method, I'm going to select as generate content and click on the save and send test request. You can change the model according to your own choice. Once you click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have successfully received this, which we are going to post on Twitter. Alright, so let's close this. Now we're going to post this on Twitter. For that, click on this add new action step. And once we're going to click on this add new action step, for the application, we're going to select it as Twitter, which is formerly Twitter. Now it is X. So we're going to select X. For the event, select create tweet and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between X or formerly Twitter with Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with X, which is formerly Twitter. Now we have to enter the client ID and the client secret. And to get this, we just have to read the documentation, which will be here when we click on this learn more. So let's click on this learn more and you're going to see that this documentation is going to appear. Now what we're going to do is we're going to read this documentation, and once we read this documentation, by the end of this, you will know how you're going to get this client ID and client secret. So you have to follow these steps given right over here. The first step is to go on this developers.twitter.com. So simply click on this link and this developer.twitter.com will open. And once you open this, you're going to see the developer portal. So go on this developer portal directly. Once you're on this developer portal, first of all, you have to create an app inside this. And if you want to know how to create or set up your app, refer to this document and create this. As you can see, I've already created my app, so I'm just going to directly go towards this app and then keys and tokens. And you're going to see over here is the client ID and the secret. So I'm just going to first copy the client ID, paste it. Now once again, I'm just going to go back, regenerate this client secret, and I'm going to copy this client secret and paste it right over here. After pasting both of this, I'm going to click on this save, and my Twitter, which is formerly Twitter but now X account, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so as you can see, we just have to click on this authorize app and the connection is successful. Now let's post this what Gemini generated on our X account, but we're not going to do it manually. I'm not going to enter the message manually right over here by tapping it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I've simply mapped this message with Gemini generated. Now it is asking me for the code, tweet ID and direct message deep link. So both of this is not required, but if you wish, you can definitely enter it right over here. After doing this, you have to click on the save and send test request, and once you click on the save and send test request, you're going to receive this positive response. This means that we have successfully posted this on our Twitter. Alright, so let's open our Twitter right from here, and I'm going to refresh this in order to check that the new post has been posted or not. And you're going to see that a new post will be posted on my X account, which is formerly Twitter, right over here. As you can see that we have successfully posted this 23 seconds ago. And not only now, but now every day this workflow is going to run at 12 p.m. Gemini is going to generate the Twitter post and it is going to be posted on my Twitter account without me manually doing it. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can check it out, use my prompt and also check my workflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.